Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Are you on a hunt for how to log in and navigate the UpScrolled home screen? If yes, you are in the right place. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First things first, launch open UpScrolled app on your mobile device. Once you end up in this login screen, tap on Login from the bottom. To sign into your existing account, you'll need your email or handle followed by your account's password. Go ahead and write down your email or handle in the text box. After you do so, head over to the password field and enter your password for your account. If you don't remember your password for your account, click on the Forgot Password link at the bottom left and follow through the reset process. After typing down your credentials, click Login. Soon after you do that, you will be signed in to your existing UpScrolled account. All you need is your credentials and you are good to go. Now you're ready to create your scrolls, organize your content, and explore everything UpScrolled has to offer. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.